What's up, guys? Kirby Smith with Lightspeed Construction coming to you from East Knoxville 37924 with our most recent customer, Mr. Jeff. How you doing, bud?
Doing well. How about
Top show. Man, great to be here on a Saturday morning and kind of reviewing your project. Tell folks what standing seam is to you guys and what they should know about standing seam from what you had and what made you guys consume an expensive metal roof.
Well, we were looking between conventional shingle roof, and we're interested in metal roof due to the durability factor. We also, being out in a wooded area, we have a big problem with squirrels. They've ripped through our shingle roof several times in the past, so it's just trying to avoid some additional maintenance and hassle dealing with that. So when we started looking for metal
Are you
roof
sure
options,
the squirrels and maybe not like raccoons possibly?
we've got a lot of raccoons on here as well. I've not seen them get through the material, but we definitely had squirrels tear through the shingles and get into the attic, which caused some problems for us. So, but yeah, we've had raccoons actually tear through our window screens before. So we were wanting something that was going to be durable.
Like were the windows open with a pie in the windowsill?
I'm not sure. Just curious.
Yeah.
So,
man.
So looking into the metal aspect for durability and hopefully a better barrier against critters. So looked at that, and then we learned about the standing seam through my wife found your information on online, and we found it appealing, the idea of the standing seam design with the hidden fasteners. So that in itself was one of the biggest factors in making the decision to go with the standing seam project. And then you were always really great to work with. Did what you said. You kept us surprised of weather delays and things like that can't be helped. So it was just a good experience all the way around.
A little slower putting the standing seam. I'm sure you noticed that. I mean, the shingle roof we do in a day. This almost took us a week because of some holdups and whatnot. But standing seam just is a little slower process, which I'm sure you can help advise, but I'll advise folks watching. It just takes a little longer to put that product down.
Again, you
did
a good job on prepping us for it. When the rollaway would come out here for hauling the old shingles off, and about how long it would take to do the installation. So we were pretty well on target with what you had mentioned in the earlier discussions.
Were you guys thinking green metal roof the whole time, or were you kind of kicking some other colors around? Because I gotta admit, the green looks like $1 million, man. It looks awesome. It looks terrific.
Well, we had some green trim, which we're going to have to match our paint up on the windows and the garage door now, but that's kind of where we were going at from the beginning. I've seen red quite a bit as well in some other locations, but yeah, the green really just kind of appealed to us with the wooded area and whatnot. So
yeah, green roof, bronze gutters we got in as well. I love these bronze gutters. I think they look very noble and strong. Kind of match with, like you said, some of the other colors, maybe the color of the windows and whatnot. Man, a project well done, and I'm so delighted your skylights aren't going to leak no more. I know that was maybe the catalyst right there was the leak in skylights. Obviously, the roof had some other TLC it needed, but
yeah, we were definitely overdue for a roof. So
yeah, well, thank you guys so much for the work, guys. Roof, standing seam, gutters, new skylights, and Jeff even DIY putting some of the boards over here on the chimney and maybe a cap at some point or another.
Yeah,
Be
I've got the cap in the garage. I just got to rent the lift to get back out here.
Okie dokie.
Yeah,
okay.
That'll be finished up hopefully in another 3 weeks. I'm traveling, so yeah, another 3 weeks. We're looking at getting that wrapped up. So.
A little DIY on the staining as well. Staining this. Man, it looks like a completely different place from when I first stepped out here. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you very much for your work. Very professional.
Absolutely. Guys, call us if we can help. Kirby Smith with Lightspeed on your next standing seam or maybe even gutter project. Jeff, thank you so much for the work.
Thank you. Very pleased customer. Thank you.